Hey, what's going on? We're just out and about, right? Let's go. We're just out and about going for a walk today. Figured I bring you all along with. There's a wooded area back that way. We came down from over there, then we're hitting this section here. Figured get out and get some fresh air while it's nice. Nice and quiet. Very peaceful. Hey, if you could, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share these videos. Check out the other videos that we have too. We have all different types of content. So I do Forgotten Friday, Memory Monday. They're old photos from the past. Maybe you might know someone in them photos, or you might know places where they're at. We're trying to start up my Z-gauge train display again. I got a little discouraged on that, but we're going to try to work on that and see if we can get that finished. Yeah, there's someone up there flying a kite. It keeps, you can sort of see it there. It goes up, then it comes down. It's not as windy as what it's been. The wind has died down a lot. But maybe we'll catch it when we get up around the corner. So we'll just keep on going. Keep on going down this way. And he's in a hurry to go nowhere. Yep, he's in a hurry to go nowhere. There's houses over that way. So we made it to the end here. And we're gonna walk down this road here. This is for the park. I don't believe there's another trail that goes up through there. On this way. You hear the airplane flying around. There's the sun. Hold on. Take him a minute. Oh, up there was the kite. There's the airplane. Can't even see where it's at. Anyways. The river's down there. The airplane's right up there flying around. There's the kite. Hopefully it's in the frame, because I can't see anything because I got the sun blinding me. But it's all good. It's worth it. There's a nice view over there. See if we can zoom out for you. It's always hazy out around this area. Let's go up this way here. Here's a nice view of the river. In the area. Can't really see too much that way, but yep. Yeah, we just came up from down that way, but there's a path down there. That's where we were at. We're down in there. We came from over in the woods over here down and walked that path. Went down that way and came up. Now we're going over here to the rocks to climb on the rocks a little bit, because he enjoys climbing on the rocks. All right, that's where we started at, the Hilltop Trail. We went down that. We did the whole trail before, but we're at the rocks. He's jonesing for the rocks. Lead the way, sir. Here, down this way, bub. Down here. This way. We're going down this way. Right here. Go up here. Up. Hold on. All right. This ought to be fun. Give me 1 second. All right. He was trying to go down that way there. Hold on.
Ouch.
Good. I'm multitasking I'm walking him and helping her up and filming at the same time. He's already over that way. Here, if you could hold him for a second. Now we're up here. It's not that hard to get up here, but there's a nice view. I think there's a creek back there. I'm not 100% sure. Very, very, very nice. All right. He was trying to go everywhere but where I wanted to go. You stay there for a minute. Look, he's looking at me like, what the heck? There's all sorts of different rocks here. Climb one. They're just over there. Pretty nice and peaceful. Now we're going to go back over here to the other side. All right. And you have this, showed this before, the pole and the cable there. Hold on, Bo. And there we have it. Now he's happy. Are you happy? Maybe we just get out and make a little video and go for a walk. Sometimes you need to do that to clear your head and just get that nature therapy going. Got the sun up there. Nice, beautiful, quiet day. It's not too cold out. A little cold, but it's not too bad. That's going to do it for this one. And I will catch you in the next one.
Bye.
And remember, have a good day and treat yourself and others with kindness. Catch you in the next one.